Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the background in Webex step by step. This feature allows you to blur your background or replace it with a virtual image during meetings for better privacy and a more professional look. Let's get started. Cisco Webex allows users to customize their meeting background with blur effects or virtual images. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open the Webex app. Launch the Webex application on your computer. Sign in to your account if you're not already logged in. Step 2. Start or join a meeting. You can change the background either before joining a meeting or during an active meeting. Click Start a Meeting or Join Meeting. Step 3. Open Background Settings. Before entering the meeting, you'll see a preview of your camera. Look for the Change Background option or the background icon. Click on it to open the background settings. Step 4. Choose a background option. Now you will see several options. You can select Blur. This blurs your real background while keeping you in focus. Default virtual backgrounds. Webex provides built-in backgrounds such as office scenes or abstract images. Simply click on any background to apply it. Step 5. Upload a custom background. If you want to use your own image, click on Add New or the plus icon. Upload an image from your computer. Select it and it will instantly become your meeting background. Step 6. Apply the background. After selecting the background you like, click Apply. Now join the meeting and your new background will be visible to other participants. Step 7. Change background during a meeting. If you're already in a meeting, click the 3 dots labeled More Options. Select Change Virtual Background, choose a blur effect or a background image, and apply it. Tips for best results. Use good lighting so Webex can detect you clearly. Sit in front of a plain wall if possible. Use high-resolution images for custom backgrounds. And that's it. That's how you change the background in Webex step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.